Hello, welcome. We are going to be looking at colonial administration. Colonial administration. That's what we had in Africa. By the year 1884, there was a conference held in Berlin. Berlin is the capital of Germany. So there was this conference held in Berlin where European countries like France, Germany, Portugal, Britain, they came together and they divided, they partitioned and shared West Africa to themselves. So they then came in and started placing their administrations on the countries where they got, like the British people got Nigeria. So they came here and established what we call colonial rule. Colonial rule is a system of rulership or government where a foreign nation is leading another nation. You understand? So those foreign nations, through their Secretary of State, give powers to who they call governors or Governor General. We hear about Lord Lugard in Nigeria. So these governors are in charge of these countries where they are colonies. So like Nigeria, who is a colony of the Britain, had Lord Lugard as the Governor General that was administering the country, and he was reporting to the Secretary to the state of Britain. In that same way, France had Cameroon and the Francophone countries. Portugal had their own countries as well as the other countries. So that is what we call colonial rules. And this colonial rule has features like the central government that is headed by the governor and the native government that the central government uses to administer governance to the people. They use the native government through a method known as indirect rule. So indirect rule is a system of government where the colonial masters administer leadership or governance to the masses in their colonies through their existing traditional government structure. Like if you had an Oba that was in charge, when they still came in, they left the Oba, they took some powers from him and still allowed him to be in charge. They went to the Emir, took some powers from him, like powers on how to get the taxes, get the money and resources, and manage the resources of the people. Then they left other administrative work with them and work in hand with them. Like in the Igbo land also, they use the warrant chiefs to also administer their leadership or governance. So you see a combination of the central government and the native government was used by the colonial masters. Now, what are the things that caused or that informed or that made the Europeans to come and started colonizing the Africans? One, because of economic reasons. They needed raw materials and they found out that these raw materials are in Africa. There's human materials also. So they came around and they started colonization. You also talk about religious reasons. Most of them came around and found out that we are still doing what we call traditional religion. They felt we needed Christianity and Islam better, so they gave it to us. So it brought them from there, they started colonizing us. Then there is also this problem of slavery. They needed human power for their industrial boom. So that is what we have today, colonial administration. The partitioning of West Africa by the European nations is the genesis of colonial administration in West Africa, and it took place, actually started in the Berlin Conference held in 1884-85 by Britain, France, Germany, and Portugal. Features of this colonial administration include central government headed by the governor, who is appointed by the Secretary of State of the colonies or the colonial masters. The legislative arm made up of the governor, official and unofficial members, and then the native administration through indirect rule at the protectorate, province, and district levels, administering governance. The indirect rule is a system of administration which uses the traditional political institution of the people to govern the people in accordance with their traditional norms and practices, which did not conflict with the colonial laws. The reasons for colonization are economic reasons, need for raw materials, religious reasons, need to bring Christianity to us, exploratory reasons, need to move around. Europeans, they liked discovering places. Civilization needed reasons, development. Then slavery, they needed manpower to help in their production. So this is a concise explanation of what the colonial administration is all about. Thank you. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button, share our videos. Thank you, and God bless you. This page is always